Have you ever felt a pain so heavy that it made you question who you are? A moment where life hits you so hard you feel like everything inside you is breaking? If you've been there, you are not alone. But today, I want to show you something powerful. Your pain is not the thing that destroys you. It's the thing that builds you. Pain is a universal language. It comes in many forms: heartbreak, failure, loss, betrayal, disappointment, or simply feeling stuck in life. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Pain is never random. Pain is a message, a signal, a force that demands transformation. It's life saying, this version of you is ready to evolve. Every successful person, every champion, every leader, every legend has a moment where pain pushed them to rise above the life they were settling for. Think about it. Pain is the moment your comfort zone collapses. It's the moment you have only two choices: break or break through. And whether you realize it or not, pain is often the beginning of the greatest version of you. So how do you actually turn pain into motivation? First, you have to feel it. Don't run from it. So many of us try to numb our pain, distract ourselves, or pretend it's not there. But numbing the pain only keeps you stuck. Facing it is what sets you free. Allow yourself to truly experience the emotion, to understand where it's coming from, without judgment. This isn't about wallowing. It's about acknowledging the reality of your situation so you can begin to move through it. True strength isn't about not feeling pain. It's about feeling it fully and still choosing to move forward. Second, you have to learn its lesson. Pain always carries a message. It's a spotlight showing you what needs to change in your life. Maybe it's telling you to change your habits, to let go of patterns that are no longer serving you. Perhaps it's a sign that you need to change your environment or the people you surround yourself with. It could be pointing you in a new direction, a path you were too afraid to take before. Or maybe, just maybe, it's telling you it is time to change your standards, to raise the bar for what you expect from yourself and for yourself. Ask yourself, what is this pain trying to teach me? The answer is the key to your next level. Third, and this is the most crucial part, use the energy. Pain produces an incredible amount of energy. It's intense, raw, emotional fuel. Most people let that energy turn inward and become destructive, leading to anxiety, anger, or despair. But you have a choice. You can convert that fuel into action. Channel it. Turn that heartache into the most intense workout of your life. Turn that frustration into hours of studying for that exam. Turn that feeling of being underestimated into building your own business, your own project, your own masterpiece. Use that energy to prove to yourself that you are stronger than the moment that is trying to break you. Don't just go through it. Grow through it. There will come a day when you look back, and you will realize that the pain didn't destroy you. It rebuilt you. It made you wiser. It sharpened your focus and clarified what truly matters. It raised your standards for love, for friendship, for your career, and for your life. That pain shook you out of the life you didn't want and pushed you toward the life you deserve. Your pain is not a scar that you need to hide. It's a signature. It is proof that you survived what was meant to end you. Think about it. Superheroes don't become heroes because life is easy. They become heroes because life was painfully difficult. And that's you. This pain you're feeling right now, this is the beginning of your origin story. This is the moment everything changes. The moment you stop escaping, stop blaming, stop doubting, and start rising. So listen closely. Your pain is not a punishment. It's a push toward growth, a push toward strength, a push toward clarity, and a push toward purpose. Let today be the day you decide that your pain will no longer weaken you. It will empower you. Turn it into fuel. Turn it into discipline. Turn it into a fire so bright it illuminates your path forward. Turn it into motivation so strong that even your past self wouldn't believe who you're re-becoming. Your pain is not your ending. It is your beginning. If this message touched you, don't leave without taking the next step. Subscribe for more content that helps you heal, grow, and transform your life. Your new chapter starts now.